Welcome to TreeBills. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to customize your invoices, parties, and items using voucher settings. Let's get started. From the dashboard, navigate to the Other tab at the bottom navigation. You'll see several cards including Invoice Settings, Business Settings, Account, and Help. Tap on Invoice Settings card, or when creating an invoice, party, or item, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. This opens the Voucher Settings screen with three sections: Invoice Settings, Party Settings, and Item Settings. Let's start with Invoice Settings. First, you'll see Invoice Extra Fields. Tap on it to add custom fields that appear on your invoices like PO number, vehicle number, or any business-specific information. Tap Add Field, enter the field name, and save. These fields will now appear when creating invoices. You can add multiple fields and remove them by tapping the X icon on each chip. Next is Due Days. This sets the default number of days until payment is due. Tap on it, enter the number of days like 7, 15, or 30 days, and save. All new invoices will automatically set the due date based on this. You can change it for individual invoices later. Below that is the No Due Date toggle. Turn this on if you don't want any due dates on your invoices. When enabled, all invoices will be created without due dates regardless of the due days setting. Add a note for additional information that appears on every invoice, like payment instructions or thank you messages. Tap on Note, type your message, and save. Add terms and conditions for your business policies. Tap on it, enter your terms like return policy, warranty details, or payment terms, and save. Both appear at the bottom of invoices. Tap Watermark to add your company logo or watermark image to invoices. Choose from Gallery or Camera, and the image appears on all invoices. To remove it, tap the Delete icon. Tap Signature to add your digital signature. Select an image of your signature and it appears at the bottom of invoices. You can delete it anytime using the Delete icon. Toggle Show Empty Signature Box if you want to show an empty signature box on printed invoices when no digital signature is added. Turn it off to hide the box completely when there's no signature. Tap Invoice Number Prefix to customize your invoice numbering. Add a prefix like INV, sale, or your business initials. For example, if you set prefix as INV, your invoices will be numbered INV1, INV2, INV3, and so on. Tap Voucher Numbers to manage counter numbers for all voucher types including invoice, credit note, quotation, purchase invoice, debit note, and purchase order. Set the last used number for each type to control numbering. Scroll down to Party Settings. Tap Party Extra Fields to add custom fields for parties like GST number, PAN, credit limit, payment terms, or any other information. These fields appear when creating or editing parties and can be displayed on invoices. Toggle Party Balance to show or hide the party's outstanding balance on invoices. When enabled, the customer can see their previous balance on the invoice. Finally, Item Settings. Tap Item Extra Fields to add custom fields for items like HSN code, SKU, barcode, brand, or other product-specific information. These fields appear when creating items and can be shown on invoices. All changes are saved automatically when you update any setting. Once configured, these settings apply to all new invoices, parties, and items you create. You can modify these settings anytime based on your business needs. Settings are business-specific, so if you have multiple businesses, configure each one separately. That's it. Open Voucher Settings from Other tab or Settings icon. Configure Invoice Extra Fields, due days, note and terms, add watermark and signature images, set invoice number prefix and voucher counters, add party extra fields and toggle party balance visibility, and add item extra fields. All settings automatically apply to your business documents. Start customizing your invoices today. Download TreeBills, available on Android, iOS, and web. Thanks for watching.